This is the exact process I use to clean my oven out with 0 chemicals. Put some baking soda in a bowl, add some water, make a paste. Next, let's remove all of the oven racks. Then take a paper towel or a rag. We're going to work loose whatever we can and get that out of there, followed up with a little tiny vacuum. I do have a few stuck-on spots here that we're going to take care of. Apply the baking soda paste to the bottom of the oven. You want to leave this on for about 4 to 6 hours, but if you have really stuck-on food, then you might want to leave it on overnight. The next step is we're going to take straight vinegar and we're going to spray it all over this and let it fizz. That fizz is going to help break down all that gunk. After that fizzes for a few minutes, go ahead and scrub it all off. This usually removes all of the surface gunk for you. Then I'm going to apply more paste for a second pass. I've got these little attachments. This is like a sponge cleaning one, so that way it won't scratch the surface of my oven. And we're just going to let this do the work for us. Of course, if you don't have a spin scrubber or a drill attachment, you can do this by hand. This is a great way that I like to clean my oven without harsh chemicals. While this way does work, it just takes a little bit more elbow grease and scrubbing to get it all. But it's great though if you want a non-toxic way to clean your oven with no harsh chemical. And as you can see here, it did a pretty good job. There's just one spot right there, maybe a little bit right here that I'm gonna have to just, like I said, put a little elbow grease in there. For the glass, I'm going to use my 50-50 vinegar water mix. I've got a little lavender essential oil in there as well. This time though, I've got a little scrubby attachment because it's glass, it's not going to scratch the surface. And it kind of reminds me of like a Scotch pad. So let's go. So we'll continue scrubbing at the glass until all of the food splatter is removed. Then take a paper towel and a wet rag and clean the rest of the oven out. Baking soda tends to leave a little residue, as you see there, but once you get it all done, you'll have a nice, sparkling, clean oven. Check out my cleaning playlist for more step-by-step tutorials and hit that subscribe button for more DIY Made Easy.